Now let's try some practice problems. Remember to pause and do the problems on your paper before you start the video again. Here's the first problem. Daphne bought 10 yards of fabric to make 3 identical sets of curtains. How many yards will each set of curtains need? This is a 10 divided by 3 problem. That's the same as the fraction 10/3, which is equivalent to 3 1/3. And I would label the unit measurement yards. Let's try another practice. In this problem, 4 soccer teams shared 9 pizzas equally. What was each team's share of the pizza? Remember to pause and do your work and then check. This is a 9 divided by 4 problem. The 9 pizzas are being split between those 4 teams. That would be equivalent to 2 1/4 of a pizza. Try this next problem. The 4 identical bags of apples weighed a total of 21 pounds. How many pounds of apples were in each bag? Pause and try this out. This is a 21 divided by 4 problem. We have 21 pounds of apples, and that is being split evenly between those 4 bags. That would be equivalent to the mixed number 5 1/4. And of course, we labeled the units of measurement, which would be pounds. Try this problem. The cake decorator used 16 cups of frosting to decorate 3 wedding cakes. How many cups of frosting were used for each cake? Pause and get your answer and then resume. Did you get 5 1/3 cups of frosting? Here's how I found mine. These 16 cups were being divided up between the 3 cakes. So that is a 16 divided by 3 problem, which is equal to 5 1/3 cups. Did you remember to label the cups? Good for you. Now you're ready to do your exit ticket. Now, this is really important. When you go to open the exit ticket in Google Forms today, the problems will not be written there. So you need to make sure you are writing the problem number down on your work paper and solving the problem. Then you will go in and put your answers in the exit ticket. You want to make sure to not only get the number part of the answer, but if there is a unit of measurement you need to label, you want to include that in your answer as well. So here are the problems for your exit ticket. And remember, you can pause the video if you need time to write these down. Problem 1 on the exit ticket. At the museum, 37 gallons of paint were needed to cover 4 walls. How many gallons of paint were used per wall? Problem 2 on the exit ticket. Macy used 13 cups of flour to make bread. If she split the flour evenly among 3 batches of bread dough, how much flour did she use per batch? And problem 3 on the exit ticket. If a pet store had 38 ounces of dog food to split evenly among 3 dogs, how many ounces should each dog get? Now remember, you need to make sure you work these problems and get the answers and label the problem numbers. When you go to the exit ticket, the problems will not be visible there. It will only ask you what was your solution for problem number 1, problem number 2, and problem number 3. Good luck and have a great day.